This is a strengthening question, and the conclusion here is this part, that no less plastic per shipment is used in this case compared to the plastic used in the earlier case. Answer choice A, by suggesting that both types of containers can be crushed, gives only operational detail and does not tell anything about the amount of plastic used, and therefore this cannot have any impact on the reasoning. Answer choice B talks about the limitations in recyclability of both plastic and cardboard containers, and this answer choice does not talk anything about the amount of plastic being used, and therefore this answer choice is also just a statement of fact. This has no impact on the reasoning. Answer choice C talks about consumers being concerned about the environment and preferring to buy biodegradable stuff even if the shipping fee is higher. However, this answer choice once again does not address the key issue here, that whether the plastic used in the second method is lower than the plastic used in the first method. And therefore this answer choice as well has no impact on the reasoning here. Answer choice D is a trap. This talks about the second method producing lesser waste. However, the argument is concerned with the amount of plastic used, and therefore answer choice D does not impact the reasoning. Besides, come to think of it, this answer choice talks about something positive about the second method being used here, and therefore this answer choice, if anything, weakens and not strengthens the argument, and therefore this answer choice is probably the worst of the 5 answer choices. Let's confirm answer choice E now. This answer choice suggests that the second method uses a greater amount of plastic shipping pellets compared to the earlier containers, and therefore this answer choice suggests that the new method leads to a higher use of plastic, thereby strengthening the conclusion that no less plastic per shipment is used when the cardboard containers are utilized compared to when plastic containers are utilized. E is the correct answer choice.